This diagram illustrates the ElecDaug workflow, which shows the complete tool building blocks of ElecDaug. Among other things, ElecDaug contains three key components: metamorphic methods, variable settings, and data augmentation. The metamorphic methods contain the transmission metamorphic components, including radio noise, signal outage, signal disruptions, and the time frequency metamorphic components, including channel transformation, power zooming. After selecting the metamorphic methods, the label and parameters are set through the variable settings. The label of the augmented data can be modified, and the intensity also can be set. After that, we enter the data augmentation part, simulate the physical layer and data layer of the input data, according to the selected metamorphic methods, and set parameters, augment data, and assign the label to the augmented data. Due to the unpredictability of the electromagnetic signal, we use the idea of metamorphosis to apply the electromagnetic own characteristics for data enhancement. Since we cannot augment it intuitively like image processing methods, we achieve this by equivalently mapping its corresponding features to the data layer. For the augmented electromagnetic data, it has the real scene characteristics that automated generation does not have, so this augmented data will fit well with the real scene data. In our system, we only provide two interfaces open to external users: the metamorphic strength setting and the metamorphic method selection. External users can choose their own metamorphic strength and metamorphic method to augment their own provided data sets to obtain augmented data set. Just like a black box, ElecDaug only provide the entrance to the functional requirements and the exit to the functionalities are provided. It provides an interface for external users to browse the augmentation data and download the augmented data, so that users can choose the corresponding operation according to their needs. And now, let's enter ElecDaug and complete the data augmentation process. In the ElecDaug system, the flow of operation for the user is as follows. First, the user selects the augmentation methods. Second, the user sets the metamorphic strength, the params. Third, the user uploads the raw data. Finally, the user submits the task. After completing the data augmentation, the user can preview and download the augmented data. Here we can see that only the selected metamorphic relations can perform the corresponding file download and preview functions. In the data view page, we can compare the difference between the original data and the augmented data by the image depicted by the data points. When the Reset button is clicked, the existing task is cleared and then the user can move on to the next task. In addition, the generated data can be used as the original training set. Thank you for watching.